Hey boys and girls, it's Mrs. Eaton. Happy Monday. Today you are going to be drawing your very own color wheel. Then, a little bit later, you are going to create another color wheel with a few items from around your home. To start off, we are going to draw the color wheel first. A couple of things you are going to need. You're going to need paper, any kind that you have at home is fine, crayons, colored pencils, or markers. Go ahead and grab what you've got. Pause the video. I will meet you back here with those items. See you in a minute. All right, boys and girls, now that you have your supplies, you should have paper, crayons, markers, or colored pencils. First thing you need to do, you need to grab a black crayon, colored pencil, marker, whatever you've got, and we are going to draw a circle on our paper to start our color wheel. Now I'm going to leave a little bit of space right here on the side of my paper. Make sure your paper is horizontal in front of you, side to side. When you draw your circle, make sure you go slowly. Again, it is almost impossible to draw a perfect circle, so it's not going to be perfect, and it is okay. The next thing you're going to do, you're going to draw some lines in the middle of your circle. If you need to pause at any time to catch up, go ahead and do so, and then push play when you're ready. Our first line in the middle of our circle is horizontal line all the way across. Now our next lines, we are going to draw an X. First line of my X is going to start over here and down. See how slow I'm going? Nice and slow. Then my last line, I'm going to start over here, and then when I come here to the middle, I'm going to make sure I cross these two and then go all the way down. Take your time, go very slow, and then there you go. We've got the beginning of our color wheel. Kind of looks like a pizza. Now, the next thing you're going to need is the first color of the rainbow, which is red. Take your red coloring utensil, and you are going to take this very top pizza slice right here, and you are going to color that red. Whatever you've got, take your time. Make sure you color all of the inside of your pizza slice red. Then the next thing we're going to do, red is also a primary color. Now, the next primary color I want you to get is yellow. Put your red utensil down, get yellow. Now, let's talk here. We start with red. The next color in the rainbow is not yellow, so we're not going to put yellow here. This one is going to come later. So we got red, skip, yellow. So we're skipping one, and then we are putting yellow in this one right down here, because yellow is a primary color. Go ahead and color in your pizza slice yellow. Remember, skip this one. Yellow goes right here. Red, skip, yellow. Okay, then if you need to pause, go ahead and pause to finish coloring. The next primary color, there's one left. Can you guess it? If you guessed blue, you are correct. Now with blue, it does not come next to yellow. So we're red, skip, yellow, skip, blue. You're going to color this pizza slice right here blue. Take your time, color it all in. Now we have the primary colors of our color wheel all done. Now if you need to pause to finish coloring, do so now. Alright, we've got our primary colors. When you put two primary colors together, do you know what kind of color they make? Secondary color. To begin, we are going to start with red and yellow. Red and yellow together make what secondary color? If you guessed orange, you are correct. So we're going to take our orange utensil and we are going to color this pizza slice between the red and the yellow and color it orange. Okay, take your time. Fill your whole pizza slice with color. If you need to pause to color it in, you may do so. Take your time. Fill it all the way in. Okay, next, we've got yellow and blue. Yellow and blue are two primary colors, and what secondary color do they make? If you guessed green, you are correct. Go ahead and take your green utensil and color in this section right here. Color this bottom pizza slice green. Make sure you take your time. Again, if you need to pause, you may do so to finish coloring it in before we move on. Alright, now we've got two primary colors, blue, red. What secondary color do blue and red make? If you guessed purple, you are correct. Go ahead, and that last pizza slice that's not filled in yet, you are going to color that in purple. Okay, take your time, fill it all the way in. And there we go, boys and girls. We have a very easy color wheel, and we made it all on our own. Next thing we're going to do, I want you to review our primary colors. Now, primary colors, we have 3 of them. Let's start with the top. We've got red. The second one is yellow. And the third one, which one is left? You guessed blue. You are correct. Now, when you put primary colors together, what kind of colors do you get? Secondary. Now, our secondary colors, red and yellow, what kind of secondary color do they make? Orange. Next, we got yellow and blue. Their secondary color is green. And finally, we have our last secondary color. Blue and red are primary. They make the secondary color of purple. Alright, boys and girls, if you want to go ahead and practice writing your words, primary, secondary, write the color words. And that's what we have for today. Alright, boys and girls, I cannot wait to see what your color wheels look like. The next color wheel you're going to create is from items you find around your house. Find at least one item of each color we just created on our color wheel. I have some examples for you. Like for me, I have a red cup, an orange candy wrapper, yellow Post-its, a green stapler, a blue marker, and purple scissors. I'm going to lay these all out into a circle. Make sure you have them in the correct order. So it goes red and then orange, yellow, green, blue, and then purple. Once you have collected all your items, you can put multiple items in each color group if you would like. I have a picture of one that I just created with more items than what I just showed. Here it is for you. When you find all your items, arrange yours into a circle similar to how I did, and then take a picture of it. After you take a picture of that, also take a picture of your color wheel you drew earlier. With those 2 pictures, this is how you are going to get it to me. You are going to take the pictures with either your iPad or your parent's phone. Then you're going to email it to me at emily.eaton@clinton.k12.in.us. Then, after I receive them, I will pick a couple and highlight them on the Facebook page that I created called Clinton Central Elementary Art. Have your parents check that Facebook page and see if your art was highlighted. All right, boys and girls, I hope you have a wonderful Monday, and I will see you next time. Have so much fun.